Students, I'm back after a few days. I took a break. So today's topic will be patterns. The patterns comes under the nested loop. It comes in class 9 in some school and in class 10. In ICSE it is there. So let us start with the first pattern. You can see this is the first pattern I will be doing. You can see there are 4 rows and 3 columns. So class anything, suppose pat, then public static void main. You can give string args if you wish, string args, declaring the variables int I, j. Now see, in pattern the first loop is used for number of rows. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will run till 4. Normally, there are exceptions and changes, right? The first loop starts from 1 to 4. Second loop for j equals to 1, j is less than equal to how many columns? 1, 2, 3. 3. J plus plus. Now, in j loop, I will print system dot out dot print, not println, print. In double quotes, I have given star. In double quotes, I have given a star. Here it will be semicolon. Maybe my pen is not functioning. Right, just a minute. Let me check. Yeah. Now, it is a semicolon here. Then again you have to write one another system.out.println for changing line. See how it works. When I is 1, j will run 3 times. J will run 3 times. So 3 stars you will get. You will get 1, 2, 3. Then when it will come here, just you have to change the line. Just you have to change the print ln. This for ends, this main ends, and this class ends. Once again I am explaining. I start from 1 till 4. When I is 1, j loop will complete its 3 times. So you will get 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. It will come here, line change, I becomes 2. Again it will 3 times. Like this, how many times it will be repeated? It will be repeated 4 times. Like this, it will be repeated 4 times. Therefore, you will get this pattern. Right? Now, here if I make some changes, what changes? Suppose in this of this 4, you have 3. And instead of this 3, you have 4. So there are 3 rows. So how will your output change? When I is 1, it will run 4 times. So you will get 4 star. Line change. Again it will 4 star. Line change. I becomes 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be your output. Okay. Now in this program I will be teaching you 4-5 patterns. Just I am if possible you can take screenshot or copy it down. I will try to provide you a PDF. Right. I shall leave it. I will use another color pen and then I will do the changes. See, if same thing, instead of this, if I use here I, right, and instead of this, if I use 4, what is going to happen? What is the change? You can see I is 1, j runs till I. So first time you will get 1 star. Why you will get 1 star? Because I is 1. Line change, when I becomes 2, Second time you will get 2 stars because I is 2. Again when I becomes 3, 3 star. When I becomes 4, like this you will get 4 stars. Okay? I hope till this much you need to clear your concept, then we can proceed. Right? Now again some changes in the same, right? Instead of this star, suppose you are printing I. You have to think what is happening here. See, when you are giving anything in double quotes में जो दोगे, that will be printed as it is, right? If you give star, if you give hash, and if you give even I, then you will get 1I, 2I, like this. But it is not in double quotes. It is outside the double quotes. So how it is working? When I is 1, one time value of I is 1, line change. When I is 2, 2 times what? Value of I क्या है? Right? Value of I is 2. So you will be getting 2, 2. Right? Then when I is 3, you will be getting 3, 3, 3. When I is 4, you will be getting 4, 4, 4, 4. Same thing. Instead of I, if this is clear, once again repeating, I is 1, J loop एक बार चला, 1 print हुआ, line change, I becomes 2, 2 times, right? You will get twice 2, then thrice 3. Same thing, instead of I, suppose you are printing here J. Instead of I, you are printing J. I think that J is not visible, need to change the color, a bright color is required, right? Yeah, now this is visible. If you print J, see I is 1, J runs 1 time, you get 1, right? When I is 2, you will get 1, 2. When I is 3, you get 1, 2, 3. When I is 4, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. So the basic, I have told you, the basic thing. Now another program I will be doing, right? Till here, I think we have done first number of rows column patterns we have done, then 1 star twice, then we have done 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? After this, the program will be Floyd's triangle. I am writing the question. You can pause my video and then try and then see the solution. It will be good for you, right? The question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can think and then you can try, but I will do it just now. For learning purpose, you can pause, try this, and then see the solution. It will help you a lot. So to do this, what you need one I, J. You take one variable C equals to 1. And here, just print C. So 1 is printed, and after this line, you can use C++. After this, you can use C++. What will happen? C 1 है, देखो एक बार चलेगा 1. C became 2, but line change again it starts, it will run twice, it will start from 2, you will get 2, 3. Line change, उसके बाद 4, 5, 6. After 6, C is becoming 7, but it is not going in J loop. Line is changing. Line is print and changes the line. Again, it goes there 7, 8, 9, 10. I am doing all the patterns with fixed number of lines. You can change it. You can take n also from the user. You can use scanner, enter a number of rows. You can do it like this also. For understanding purpose or making it simple, I am taking a fixed number of steps. Now, next in the same pattern, next question will be this. Again you can try, but I will do, you can pause and try it and then see the solution, it will help you. So, see, two ways are there. What I do, what I can see, the hint of this is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. The hint is this. See, wherever odd 1, wherever even 0. And another thing here, 5 lines are there. So, this one will equal to 5. And we don't need this C. So, I am using if j mod 2 0, you can print system dot out dot print what? When it is even, you are getting 0. Else, you can print in double quotes also. Again, system dot out dot print 1. This j loop ends, and after j loop you have system dot out dot print ln. This I loop ends, main class. Or you can also use, see, first try to understand what I have done. Wherever j is even, I have printed 0, and wherever odd 1. The whole thing, this whole thing can be replaced with one line, that is, you can write system dot out dot print j mod 2. Just this line will replace this. Now variations can come, हम j mod ऐसा दिए हैं, you can have question like this also. So you need to check or change your logic. You can subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can download my app, and you can follow me in my website azamsar.com. Okay, tata, bye bye, take care.